Hello guys, how are you? I hope I truly hope you are all well in your country or city. My name is Daniel Martinez. I have a Thrive Sprint 1050. I bought 2 months ago, all right? And now I received my parts this week from Lithuania. This produced used the 3D printer. So nice. I checked this part in my bike is perfect when I put it there. Now I intend to paint, but before I needed to do sand, okay, and to sand, and after that I needed to decide what color I will use. I don't know. I use a continue black or putting other color. So when I finish it, I will publish in the Instagram again. Okay. Other things important for me when I get my package. Oh my God, it's so nice because I didn't have any problem with my package because sometimes when we receive a package in other countries, our post office here in Brazil, oh my God, don't have a look after about it, okay? And now, so great. Okay, bye bye.